Okay, it's live. Hi. Happy Monday. I had to think about what day it was, but I just got home from school, and I mean like subbing, not like school, but subbing. I was at high school today, and it was good all day except for fifth period. Wanted to push my buttons, so I left them a scathing review for their teacher. It's my favorite thing. Like, I try not to be like really dramatic and stuff. I wrote them a new one in the little note that I leave for the teacher because I'm probably never going to see them again, but that's not what I'm on here for. My Whiff Box came today. I had a couple other things come. One of the wax bars that I got is holding up my phone right now, and then I got some other things. Oh, let me show you this before I get into the Whiff Box. But that was cute. Okay, look at this little guy. His name is, he's a reindeer, Scentsy Bitty Buddy. This was $12. He is fragrant. He is fragrant. I put him on the table and I went to go make food and I came and sat back down and I can smell him. Like, he's like a candle almost. He's scented in silver bells. I don't know if this will be backwards, but he's this cute little like plushy thing, and he's got fragrance beads in him. His little star. He's cute, right? Little bitty buddy. I just have him like this because I'm going to show my mom. She's the one that wanted this. So, you don't have to keep it like that. You can like play with it and give it to your kids or something. I think it's adorable. Okay, so I'm going to open up my Whiff Box. So you see, like, the Whiff Box comes like this, and no shipping labels on it because it's put into inside of a Scentsy box. So if you wanted to gift this, you don't have to worry about like some other subscription boxes that put this freaking shipping label on it and make it look ugly. So this is like completely cute all around. This is my first ever Whiff Box. I've wanted them for so long, but I just decided to treat myself for December. And I'm not gonna be lying to you. I've already looked at the reporting tab of my workstation, and I looked at like what was shipped inside of this box because it is a mystery, but I can look at what goes in it. So I can always get spoilers, but so I already know what I'm getting, but you know, it's just a little bit of a treat because even though I saw what's in it, I'm still excited about what's coming. I'm gonna act like I'm surprised though. And then that's what I was going. That's why I brought this up. I've already looked at the value, and I think it's $36 value, and then this was only $30. And then if you want to try a Whiff Box for cheaper, then go to my website, go to Scentsy Club, and start a subscription. Add just a Whiff Box to it, and because the Whiff Box is $30, it'll immediately take off 10%. So then you'll get down to $27, and instead of paying $38, so $8 shipping and taxes, so that'd be almost $40. Hello, I can't see who's viewing this, but hi. I'm just explaining like how to get the Whiff Box for cheaper because I'm unboxing it. If you put it in Scentsy Club, the 10% comes off, and then it's only like $35 after shipping, and then you'll pay taxes on that. So it's cheaper to do it like this. Scentsy Club, you don't have to keep going. After it gets delivered, you can cancel your Scentsy Club. No penalty, nothing like that. It's really easy to cancel it. There's a very clear button on the website. And then, or you can, you know, change it out if you want to do different things every month. I have one cousin of mine who has a Scentsy Club, and she's changed it recently. And I mean, I can imagine, like, it was easy. I've done it before. I've changed my Scentsy Club. You get like updates before it ships. You get like a 10-day window to edit or cancel or add or reduce, you know, so that you don't get like a surprise charge. So yeah, this is probably the most popular thing to put in Scentsy Club because you can immediately get that 10% off. But I'm gonna open it this way so you can see. Okay. Scent with Love. And then it always comes with like an activity thing, like a paper insert with something to do. So this is the paper insert. It says Whiff Box. And I don't know if you can read this, but it says gather around the tree. And yeah, we open it up and it's got templates to make your own 3D ornaments. So you would take your own craft paper or construction paper and then cut out these outlines and use this to make paper cutouts for gluing together and making an ornament. And then it has the instructions. So there's always that like fun thing to do when you get it. Sometimes I've seen that they put in garland, like garland that you can punch out and hang up somewhere, like on your desk or at work or something. And yeah, the instructions are there in multiple languages because we ship all over the world basically. And then it's got a little information about the wax cup back here. I think you can see it, yeah. So simply pop out the wax, place it in the warmer dish, and enjoy. I'm freaking thrilled for this, the January scent of the month. I've already seen the name and like what's the scent notes. It's gonna be so good. So this, oh, just gonna hit me in the face. Oh. So you've got a little bit of packing in here. I shouldn't do this. I should save it for my brothers to pop. They love to pop those. They're like crazy about popping it. Okay, so here's the preview. Lots of wax in there, and then a familiarity. So this is a Narwhal. I knew he was coming. He's in Very Merry Cranberry. And so I bought this one before I knew that a Bitty Buddy was coming in the Whiff Box. I put it all in the same order. I'm excited that I think they looked at my order and saw that I was getting the reindeer, and then they put a different one in here because I've seen other consultants are getting the snowman or the reindeer, so I think they're mixing it up who gets what in the Whiff Box. So this is the Narwhal, freaking cute. If you have ever watched Elf, you know that the Narwhal says, "Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad." And it's just like, that Narwhal is like my personality all the way. It's so cute. Ah, come here. Oh, he's a fatty. He was kind of tough to get. Oh, okay. I like this smell better than Silver Bells, but the reindeer is cuter. Oh, but that one smells so good. Look at him. He's got like an iridescent horn thing. And then, of course, he's got his Scentsy star back there. And then if you wanted to, if you're giving this to a kid, you can like cut off this tag. It's not gonna do anything to it. But it's very soft and squishy. Like you could stress out and like use this as your stress ball. Let me turn it around. Adorable. So I don't care if I'm an adult. I think they're adorable. We're gonna have them on display probably next to our baby Yoda. Or Grogu, if you want to call him his proper name. Adorable. I'm so just thrilled with that. That's so cute. Okay, sit back there. Okay. And then let's keep going. So all of them come with our signature purple crinkle paper. And I like that they choose paper because like there's minimal plastic in these, you know, like easier to recycle. Okay, let's start with the January scent of the month. Oh, I don't know if you can see this. It says, oh, it's upside down. Sun ripened berry. Maybe you can see that. I don't know. Okay. From what I remember from the scent description, my calendar needs to leave me alone. Okay. From what I can remember from the scent description, it's got like peach and berries and a bunch of other good stuff. So, let me open it. Ooh. So this is the equivalency of 3 wax cubes. Like this bottom row right here would be about as much as in this cup, and you get it for free. Oh, that's so good. It's like very tart and a little sweet. I think the pepper that I put in my little dish that I made for a late lunch got in my nose, but this is not what made me sneeze. Oh, I can't stop smelling that. It's like so berry forward. This is gonna be so good. I know that I'm gonna have to get the scent of the month now. Like I'm gonna have to get the whole kit. Oh my gosh, that's good. Okay, let's keep going. And here, let's do this other little thing. I have smelled this before, but I like it a lot. Mighty Pine 3D Scent Circle. It's got 2 pieces in there, and then you put it together. It looks like a little ornament hanging from your mirror in your car. And Mighty Pine smells really nice. I like, if I had to put them in order of the pine scents we have, I like Very Snowy Spruce, Mighty Pine, and then Ice Pine, and there's another one. Maybe there's just 3. But this one would be my second favorite. I like Very Snowy Spruce better than this one, but still delicious smelling and adorable. Okie dokie. And then we're not done. We've got 3 more wax bars in here that come with it. So the Bitty Buddy costs $12 if you buy it individually. This wax cup, I always say that it costs $2 even though you can't buy this exact wax cup, because since it's equivalent to 3 cubes basically, and then a bar is $6. I say, like, I rounded out, like, that's about $2 worth of wax. And then I've got the Scent Circle, it's $5, but you can't buy them individually. You have to buy them in a 3-pack for $15. Except for right now in the sale, they're in the sale, so they're cheaper in the sale. That ends on Wednesday, so you should go look. You should go look at it. So 12 to 14, $5 for that, 17, and then 18 because there's 3 wax bars here. So I think that's 36. My math is escaping my brain. But the wax bars that I got, Best in Snow. I like this one. I've smelled it before. It smells very good. Best in Snow is like clean, but also a little masculine and a little like, I think it has juniper in it, but it's also got like a little bit of like tree smell. That's good. I think this is what I want to warm next because I've been doing a bunch of sweet stuff back to back. I think this would be a good change. So I'm excited for that. And that's the one I want to tell you about later. And then I've got Black Forest Pine. This is the December scent of the month. I haven't smelled this one yet because I didn't get the kit. That is strong, but it's good. Oh, Black Forest Pine is the other word I was thinking of. Black Forest Pine. That's good. It's got like a good base to it. I like that. Such a pretty dark green wax. I like that. This just is very masculine in a way. I don't know if that makes sense. It's just not like super sweet. So I classify everything that doesn't smell sweet as masculine. I'm into it. Very, very into it. I'm doing a live video. Can I talk to you later? Oh, okay. And the last one is Maraschino Sugar Cookie, which is a Whiff Box exclusive. You can't buy this on the Scentsy website. You can't put it in Scentsy Club. I've never smelled this, so as a consultant, I didn't even get to do it to get it unless I got this box, because this is the first time they've ever put something like a wax bar in here that's exclusively for the Whiff Box. And so if I want any more, I have to get another Whiff Box, or I have to email them and tell them to put it in Club. So I hope that I love it. But oh yeah, oh yeah, oh my gosh, it's like straight cherry, maraschino cherries on top of sugar cookies. Oh my gosh, I'm kind of thinking this one for December 24th, the Christmas Eve. Oh my gosh. And this one has a little bit of a butter scent from the sugar cookie like profile part, but nothing like Cookies for Santa. Cookies for Santa to me is like something I don't like, but this one, oh my gosh. Wow. I might be obsessed with this one. I might have to ration it. Look, oh my gosh, look at the freaking design. It's got the like actual shape of the cookie and stars and snowflakes. I just dropped it. Great. So so I can show you closer. That's the cute design on this one. And then Best in Snow's design. While I'm on here, I'll talk shortly about something that I've started doing. I just did an empties video on Facebook about what I've been through wax-wise, and I've started taking all of my empty clamshells, which is what the plastic is, and what I'm going to do is I cut this part off. I'm going to use this for magnets on my fridge, like putting a magnet back there and a paper clip and then a magnet all glued together, so it's like a clip magnet that will be on the fridge. Or I'm going to use it for name tags for bags, or sometimes the scent will stay on this part of the plastic and just be able to smell it whenever I want. And then I'm going to take the bottom part after I cut off the top and donate it to like some art school, I mean not art school, but art class, for like little paint cups for kids at school, because it's just so handy, so like perfect for an art class. So yeah, that's basically all that I got. What was the other thing I got? Oh, the thing that's propping up my phone. I got a bar of Just Breathe for my brother Garrett. He likes it a lot, so this is for him. And then I got a lot of scent circles for a variety of reasons. But yeah, so that's it. I hope that this was interesting. And my mom's home, so I gotta go help her unload the car. Bye!